Welcome to Learn English with Story. Today's story is about being smart and never giving up. Let's begin. The Thirsty Crow. It was a hot day. A crow was flying in the sky. He was very thirsty and looking for water. He flew over trees and houses, but found no water anywhere. Finally, the crow saw a pot in a garden. He flew down and looked inside. There was a little water at the bottom of the pot, but the crow's beak could not reach it. The crow had an idea. He picked up small stones and dropped them into the pot. Slowly, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story: if you try, you can solve any problem. Or, think smart to win. Vocabulary recap: crow, thirsty, pot, pebbles, idea, smart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.